Welcome to Study Loop.
This problem is asking for the integral from 1 to 2 of this function. And let me rewrite this denominator by factoring. Oops. Just 3 minus x. That's the area under the curve from 1 to 2. So here the numerator and denominator have the same degree. They're both degree 2. So we should do long division here. So go to the side and do long division, because we always should do this before partial fractions. It's minus 3x, and then we have 3x plus 1 is our remainder. So using this long division, I can rewrite this integral. -1, and then 3x plus 1, x, 3 minus x dx. And then we'll go ahead and do partial fraction decomposition on this fraction here, using what the author calls case 1. So here we have a 3 minus x. So let's go ahead and multiply both sides of this by this denominator here on the left, but on the right, so let's factor out a x. And we see that b minus a must be 3, and 3a must be 1. So we get that, so here we have 1 equals 3a, solve for a. And then using this equation here, we have b minus a third is 3, or we can write that as 9 over 3. So solve for b there, just add that 1 over 3 over. So we have our a and b. Now let's just go ahead and plug those in. Now we could replace this fraction here with the partial fraction. And let's write that on the next page. 1 to 2, we have the -1 from the long division. And then for our partial fractions, that's our area. Now let's go ahead and evaluate these integrals. If this last one, if this is bothering you with the 3 minus x, feel free to do a u sub here. You can do u equals 3 minus x. And du equals negative dx. That should work. So let's integrate these three. The first one just is minus x. For the next one, natural log absolute value x. And for the last one, 10 over 3 with a minus, natural log absolute value 3 minus x. And you can see the negative is coming from the u sub. And don't forget our endpoints, 1 and 2. Let's go ahead and plug those in one at a time. The ln1 there, we know that's 0. ln1, that's also 0. Minus 10 over 3 ln2. And then just go ahead and simplify this. 11 over 3 natural log 2. That's our answer.